And let's put out a news break that's coming in. This one from the Daulat Beg Oldie area of Ladakh. During a tank exercise that was being conducted of crossing the river yesterday in the sector, due to sudden rise in water levels, tragedy struck and loss of lives of army personnel is feared. Well, that's a statement also that's coming in from the defense officials that this tragedy occurred during a tank exercise that was being conducted of crossing the river in the Daulat Beg Oldie area of Ladakh. Loss of lives of army jawans is feared in this tragedy. So this is the Daulat Beg Oldie area of Ladakh. Let's go across to Zeenat. She's getting us details on that. Zeenat, anything known so far about the number of fatalities that probably have been reported in this area as a result of this tank exercise which was conducted? The tragedy which we understand happened due to rise in water level.
Daulat Beg Oldie in Ladakh, where
Daulat Beg Oldie in Ladakh, where there are the reports that are coming from the sources. The official confirmation in this regard is still awaited that the 5 soldiers have lost their life because this has happened during a tank exercise when the water level have increased, and due to which there is a possibility that we are picking from the sources that the 5 people have lost their life, and more details are awaited in the incident. This has taken place near the line of control. It is in Ladakh. This is the Daulat Beg Oldie, which has been quite active during the Kargil war also. But now we are seeing that army has been conducting the drills in that very area. Tank exercise was taking place, and suddenly the level of the water has gone up, and because of which that has resulted into the loss of the lives. We are picking from the sources, though we are waiting for the official confirmation from which suggests that the 5 people have lost their life.
All right, Zina, thank you for the moment. So these are initial details coming in, waiting for official statement as well from the army, but a casualty that has happened in Ladakh region. And more news break coming in. JDU set to hold strategy meet on 2024 Bihar polls. Sources tell us that important decisions on probable reshuffle in the party is also on the cards. So an important meet that would be presided over by Nitish Kumar in the national capital. It will be attended by the party MPs. A crucial meet as important discussions will be taken regarding reshuffle within the party, and also how to strategize going forward with respect to the 2024 Bihar polls. Let's go across to Soumya. She's tracking details in this case closely. Soumya, once again, take us through the agenda of this meeting and anything with your learning with respect to Nitish Kumar probably stepping down from his post.
Yes, Samiksha, first of all, I'll request my VJ to pan out the camera here to show you that there's constant movement. People are constantly coming here. As of now, Nitish Kumar is already inside the Constitution Club, and we are getting to know that meeting will start any moment. However, party workers, MPs and MLAs are continuously coming here. It's a complete action-packed location. As of now, if we talk about the agendas of this meeting, we've been told that 2-3 specific pointers of discussions are: one being Lok Sabha election results, what went wrong, what went in favor of the party; other being that Bihar is slated to go for assembly elections next year in October. A major discussion is going to be on that. How is party going to send its message across to the public? A discussion is going to be about that, and then there's a discussion going to be about some structural changes, because a prominent name that has been coming out in forefront is of Sanjay Jha. We are yet to gather more information on what will those structural changes be. So as of now, the agenda of this meeting is the party's preparation for the polls that is slated to take place next year, and discussions on the results of the Lok Sabha elections. Back to you.